What's up, guys? It's Monday, the day after our big storm, and I'm gonna go walk around and check to see if there's any damage and how bad things are. So it started out as Hurricane Hillary, and then it became a tropical storm. So by the time it hit us, it was pretty much just rain and a lot of wind, but it wasn't too crazy. So let's go see. First, here's my gem. So the gem did just fine. As you can see, it's kind of leaning over because it got really heavy from all of the rain. So I'm thinking I need to tie a string from, I have a little stake over here. I need to tie it to try to straighten it out a little bit. But we'll see. As far as my pool, it is a mess. So I gotta do some skimming and things like that. So the crepe myrtle just got really heavy, it looks like, and one of the branches broke. Not that big of a deal. All right, walking to the back, looks like a lot of palm fronds just kind of came in. Semi-destroyed, no, not destroyed, but just took out a portion of my nectarplum, the Spice Z nectarplum. This thing is awesome if you guys can find it, and they're all over the place actually, so I would definitely recommend getting this. The fruit tastes amazing. Let's see what else we got. My cherimoya looks like it's kind of leaning over a little bit. It used to be, oh, it used to be strapped here, so maybe I can restrap it to straighten it out a little bit. Looks okay. The SC Gold is kind of leaning over. You can see that. I wonder if, okay, I was just trying to straighten it out here, but I think it was just really heavy from a lot of water, just kind of leaning over. Well, same here. This is the reed. Looks like I need to maybe straighten it out. Wonder if I lost any fruit. No, still there. Man, reeds hold fruit really well, so excited about that. All right, the Gwen kind of fell over a little bit, looks like, but the fruit's still holding on pretty good. So, all right, so I was really worried about this Hass. You can see how tall it is. We got lots of fruit in there, and this big tall branch that's sticking out is okay. It survived. I wanted to see if it dropped a lot of fruit. I do see some fruit. There's one right there. There's another right there. I'll look around. Well, good news. I just found like 3. So not that much fruit drop, which is awesome. I do have a branch. This is a nice piece of scion wood of a Hass right here. Maybe this is a good time to start grafting. All right, Kona Charwell looks good. Jan Boyce looks good. Edinger looks good. Hass looks good. We have stuff like this on the ground. So this was really tamed, you guys. I think we got lucky. I'm looking back here and everything is looking pretty good. So, gosh, escaped the 2023 Hurricane Hillary. All right, this is great news actually. Everything looks pretty good. Not that much fruit drop, which is awesome. I probably found 4 or 5, which is nothing in the big scheme of things. But I did find this broken edernal branch. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna graft it. So this is the time to do it. Go look around for some scion, some free scion that you weren't planning on picking, but Mother Nature picked it for you. So I'm gonna graft this onto something. I do like the edernal, and I want to have another one, so this is the time to go ahead and just do it. So hopefully you guys did okay. If you guys did, let me know down below in the comment section, because I'm curious, and I'm hoping that everything turned out okay for everybody. But for me, I guess everything was okay, and we'll continue to keep on going, and it's supposed to get kind of hot this week. So, so what a turn of events, right? We went from tropical storm to heat coming back on. So we'll see how it goes. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll talk later. See ya.